Hello everyone, I just wanted to quickly show you how to do an MLA title page. Your paper is not going to have a works cited page because again, you're just giving advice to your high school self, so you're not citing any research study or anything like that. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your paper is in Times New Roman 12 point and that is double spaced. So again, you can highlight everything. If you're using Microsoft Word, you just click up here where it says Times New Roman and you just put 12 points. Sorry, I'm holding my phone while trying to do this. And you'll have everything in Times New Roman. Then the next thing you want to do is that you want to add, so according to MLA, you have to have your last name here and then the actual page, right? So I just use Rhaena Targaryen. I like House of Dragons and I like Game of Thrones. So again, you put your last name here, and this is page 2 because there's a page above it. But you put your last name here and then you put the page number on the side. And the best way to do that is to go into Microsoft Word. You go to Insert, and then you click where it says Header, and then you pick the one. Sorry, I said that wrong. Excuse me. You don't do header, you click page number. So let me start over. So in order to get this here, where your last name should be here and then the page number, you go to Insert, and then you click where it says page number, and you click top of page, and pick the one that has the page number on the right hand side of the bar. And then when you do that, you would just type in, you would just type in your last name. I'm going to try to do this. And of course, it will be capitalized. I'm literally trying to hold my phone and do this. So you type in Smith 1, and then you double click off of it, okay? And then every time, ignore this first page because this is something else. But when you get to the actual paper, again, that's what it's going to say. It's going to say Smith 2. So again, you click Insert. You go over the page number, drop down, top of page, pick the one where it's on the right-hand side, and this is how you get your last name and the page numbers on your paper. And then again, your name should be here. I just put Rhaena Targaryen, and this should say Targaryen too. I'm going to change this and just put Rhaena Smith. Because again, sorry, I know this video is crazy. So again, your first name, your last name, and then here, every page should have your last name. See where it says Smith 3? That's MLA format, okay? And then, in terms of the first page, this is what the first page should look like. Again, it says page 2 because I have a page above it. This would say your last name in page 1. Your first name is here. Your last name is here. Then you put Professor Inez Ford, or you would put the name of your professor. You put the course is English 1101. And then you can put the date, 18 February 2025. And you have to write it like that, not February 18th. I don't make the rules. You just put the actual number here, put the month, and then the year. That's the way you write it, not 18th, not 19th, just the actual number. And then again, just make sure that it's Times New Roman and that you have tabbed over. The paragraph shouldn't look like this. Sorry, I did that, and I'll double space it. But again, you want to tab over, and then I'm going to double space it. For the sake of your paper, everything should be in black and white. The text should be black. I'll put this here so you could see the prompt. You could see the actual thesis statement, and you can see my points. That's why it's colored, but your paper shouldn't look like that. And it'll make sense when you get this form. But again, just wanted to show you how to do an MLA cited title page. Hold on 1 second. To double space that. I don't know why it ended up single spacing when I did that. But again, when it's MLA, it should be Times New Roman. Everything should be double spaced. You can see I'm about to click on 2.0 for spacing, for line spacing. Because again, everything should be double spaced in Times New Roman. You can also Google this, but I just wanted to show you very quickly how to do it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me.